Okay, so
Cold Kings.
Alright. Let's get to business. Chad and Panda here. We're
Panda.
Quantum of Solace.
Quantum of Solace, James Bond.
Multiplayer.
Yep.
Will be.
You mean I will be?
Yeah.
What will you be? You just said I will be.
I will be in awesome mode. Yeah.
Free for all.
Free for all.
Okay, fine. Team conflict. Let's go to the first level.
Manchiel.
Right here.
Manchiel. Okay. Casino. Will, have you been gambling?
Maybe.
I will be gambling
Press
lately.
A to join. Chad.
I'm not Chad. Why won't?
Ready.
No. I want a cooler guy.
There's an assassin at the very bottom. But he doesn't look cool anyways. He's just a guy with an eye patch.
Mercenary. Alright.
Panda's top, Chad's bottom.
Woo, Chad!
I haven't played this game for a while, so I'll be a little rusty.
I've never played this game.
Oh yeah, he's never played this game. It's kind of just like GoldenEye, but no, a little different.
Better graphics.
What?
Better graphics.
On this?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
You killed the mercenary. That's not cool, bro. Chacho.
Wish you could vault, but you can't. But who cares? I'm hunting you down. Ow, who's shooting me? Oh!
Yeah!
Why are you so mean to me? I'm just kidding.
Who says I was being mean to you?
You're a bully. I'm a bully that's chasing you. The bully.
No ammo!
Wait, where is he?
That was epic.
That looked like it hurt. Hey, look, I see myself
In another life.
in another life.
Where is he? He wants to dine in death. I'm in a
Where is it?
casino. I'm in a casino.
Yep, I'm sorry people that are watching. This is a little boring hunting, but it'll be funny once we run into each other, as it always is. But you never expect what is happening.
Dun dun. Dun dun.
I'll go back. Yay!
I think you just assassinated you! My bro Chacho! That's it, you're dead mate.
Look on Panda's screen.
I'm a mercenary, sorry.
It's just going through him. Oh well.
Open fire on any idiot you see.
Hey.
I don't like sarcasm, guys. Seriously, I don't like sarcasm.
It hurts my heart. It hurts Panda's heart. Oh, what? I see Chad.
I I see Panda.
Wait, no, I don't see Chad anymore. I've lost him. Oh! What? I see him. Ouch.
That's what I call fully automated bossness. What the flip?
Whoa.
Sorry for the language.
You just said what the fuck?
What the flip? He keeps suiciding me, and I don't like it.
Feel complete. No, not
Look for your private enemy. Doo-doo-doo-doo. I'm a mercenary. You can't hurt a mercenary. Hey!
down, 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 down,
It's
down,
me,
down,
and it's not
down,
right.
down. Oh! Wait, did you do that? Oh, you did that to me!
That's
I thought I did that to you.
I just kicked Panda's butt,
You
people.
just snapped my neck.
I just snapped Panda's neck.
That looks like it hurt. See, look, there's my guy. His head in the
You
stairs.
should have said, "There's my guy."
I'm not
Dino.
losing to you again, Chad.
Down the hole, Panda.
I'm still alive. I'm everywhere.
No, you're not, Panda. You're stupid weird.
I'm everywhere. I'm everywhere.
I need to get revenge on you. Ah! Firing! Not really.
Fine. Okay, how about this? Next kill wins.
Yeah, I doubt that. Alright, I'll take your bet.
Okay.
Here, what? Yeah! That was a suicide. That doesn't count.
Okay, fine. It doesn't count because he jumped off the edge.
Where are you, Will? I need to talk to you, Will.
Yeah, I win! I win!
Woo! Yeah!
Panda wins!
Panda did win. I shot. You blew up and still died.
Oh, okay.
Panda, you stinking.
Oh, Panda. Panda's everywhere.
Be honest, man.
I'm everywhere. Oh! Panda wins!
No, let's go in our round, dude. Switch characters. Oh!
I'm sorry.
Oh! What's the stench?
My bad, my bad, my bad. Hey, switch on that, okay?
Get me off here. Help me. Help me. I'm stuck. Help. Mayday. I'm dead. Shit. Panda never wins.
Panda's everywhere.
Panda is not everywhere. Trust me on it.
Panda's everywhere.
Panda's
I don't
stupid.
get anyone in my way.
Let's kill the guy with an eye patch. Panda, guess what? You stink.
Here, shoot me. I want to become my new guy.
Wait, can I assassinate you?
Yes.
That was really cool.
Why'd you do that? Okay, I'm a really cool guy now.
Dude, you're a butt now.
You haven't seen me. Pandas everywhere.
Sculpt.
Because I'm a security guard.
Oh! Panda, you just got your blood everywhere.
You realize there's no blood in this game.
Exactly. It's invisible. Because I shot you down. That's right, Shirley.
My guy looks boss now. That assassin tried to kill me. But, as you know, pandas everywhere.
His name isn't Will. Duh.
Some people call me that. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's his nickname that we gave him. It was supposed to be rude, but it's not.
Because I hate the name Will, so why would I have that name?
Exactly.
I don't hate the name Will. I just have bad opinions about it. No!
That's what you call sniper to Panda. That's right, Panda. You just got your face sniped off. See, this is called the scope of death. You can run, you can hide, but you cannot run from Chan. Because that's too cool.
Pandas everywhere.
Don't listen to him. He's a bad influence. Ooh, grenade.
Pandas everywhere. You know that, right?
He's on the other side of the map, eh? Oh no, he's right there.
Pandas everywhere.
Alright, don't listen to Will. He's a bad example.
Stop calling me by my nickname.
What? Oh. Yeah, I'm sorry. Suicide! Woo! There's a problem here. Help me,
Marksman.
Will. I'm going to die.
Oops. I can't see.
Well, I don't know
I
how
forgot how to throw a grenade.
Will, assassinate me. Assassinate me.
Okay, where are you? I see you.
I see you.
I need you to do it to me too.
Can I assassinate you?
Yes.
Alright, then you assassinate me later.
Okay.
It's gonna look cool. People out there who hate snapping necks, suck it. Yeah, I need you to kill me.
Okay.
I'll just be standing here pretending like there's none going on. Woo! Panda!
Pandas everywhere. Pandas everywhere.
Hitman is coming for you. To abduct you.
Inaccurate gun! Well, send a henchman. He'll kill the guy before he can out to him. He'll send Sally Master.
What do I look like?
I don't know, what do you look like, huh? That's what you look like. Panda, you stink.
Fine, you win this battle. We'll see who will win next time.